ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ದ್ವಿತೀಯ PUC ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ಪರೀಕ್ಷಾ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಉಪಯೋಗಕರವಾಗಿವೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಹಾಕುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ತಮಗೆ ತಲುಪಲು GST ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ತಪ್ಪದೇ ಬೆಲ್ ಗಂಟೆಯನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hello second PUC students. Today we will be going through the first chapter of business studies called Nature and Significance of Management. Alright, let's move to the questions. Section A. Please note that there are 1 mark each questions. Okay. Question 1. What is efficiency? Answer. Efficiency means doing the task correctly and with minimum cost. Question 2. Management is option A an art, option B a science, option C both art and science, option D none of the above. Answer is option B both art and science. Question 3. Which of the following is not a feature of management? Option A planning, option B staffing, option C cooperative, option D controlling. Answer is option C cooperating. Question 4. State any one economic objective of management. Answer. Survival in the / profit earning / achieving growth. Question 5. What is effectiveness concerned with? Answer. It is concerned with end result of management. Okay. Question 6. Policy formulation is the function of option A top level management, option B middle level management, option C operational management, option D all of the above. Answer is A top level management. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a function of management? Option A planning, option B staffing, option B cooperative, option D controlling. Answer is option C cooperative. Question number 8. Name any one dimension of management. Answer. A management of work, option B management of people. Question 9. Name any one feature of management. Answer. Management is a group activity. Question 10. Give any one example for lower level management positions. Answer. Supervisor / foreman. Okay, let's move to section B. Please note that there are 2 marks each questions. Question number 1. Define management. Answer. According to Harry Kunz and Heinz Weyrich, management is the process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals working together in groups efficiently accomplish selected aims. Alright, let's move to question 2. Define coordination. Answer. According to McFarland, coordination is the process by which an executive develops an ordinary pattern of group efforts among his subordinates and secures of action in pursuit of common purpose. Question 3. Name any two organizational objectives of management. Answer: survival. 2. Profit. 3. Growth. Question 4. State any two level of management. Answer: top level management. 2. Middle level management. Question 5. Give the meaning of management, or what is management? Answer: management is the art of getting things done through and with the help of others in order to achieve the specific organizational objectives. Question 6. Justify the importance of coordination by any two factors. Answer: growth in size. For organizational efficiency, it is important to harmonize individual goals and organizational goals through coordination. 2. Specialization. Some coordination is required by independent person to reconcile the difference in approach, interest, or opinion of the specialist. Question 7. State any two function of management. Answer: planning, organization, staffing. Question 8. State any two importance of management. Answer: management helps in achieving group goals. Second one, management helps in achieving personal goals. Question 9. State any two objectives of management. Answer: organizational objectives, social objectives, personal objectives. Question 10. State any two features of management. Answer: management is a continuous process. Management is all pervasive.